Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another weekly update on the Wilsonville, Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity ending this past Sunday, April 24th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through some info with you. So first off, we'll look at, as we always do, active listings here. Blue bars is new listings by week. So I showed we had 15 homes come on the market in Wilsonville, up a lot from the week prior, and kind of marks a high for the 6 weeks here. That ended the week at 19 homes on the market in Wilsonville, which again is a high over the 6 week period here. Median price and days on market for the actives, you'll see that we had a high of 750 here, about 3 out of the 6 weeks. So last week with some of the new listings that came on this last week, it kind of dropped the average down to 639, which was a slight low for the 6 week period here. So certainly some lower price, relatively lower price listings here came in the market this past week. And then days on market came in at 4, which it's kind of in general been where it's been, down from 9 the week prior. Moving on to pending sales in Wilsonville. This last week I showed we had 6 pendings, which you'll see has been pretty consistent here over the past month or so. And ended the week at 61 homes in pending status, which is a low. It's been kind of declining here for the past month because of the limited inventory that we've had in Wilsonville. Median price and days on market for the pendings, we were super consistent, right at 675 here. This last week bumped up to 700,000 was the median pending price in Wilsonville. And then a little small bump in the days on market as well. We were at 5. This last week kind of bumped up to 7. And then lastly, we'll look at sold listing activity in Wilsonville. So as of the time I put this together, I showed we had 12 homes go from pending to sold. It's kind of right in line with kind of where it's been over the past 6 weeks here. And when I look back over the prior 4 weeks of activity here, last 4 weeks of activity, show we had 55 homes go from pending to sold, closed in Wilsonville, which marks a slight high here for the 6 week period. And the median sold price and days on market for those solds, we were, again, pretty consistent around 670, 675. This last week bumped up a little bit up to 685 this last week for the median price of the solds. And then days on market has been super consistent, right at 4 days of market time. So things going pending and sold very quickly in Wilsonville. And then lastly, we'll look at weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. So the red bars is weeks of inventory. You can kind of see we've just been, been kind of struggling with inventory level in Wilsonville. It's been super low. A couple of weeks here, we were under a week of inventory. And even with that big batch of new listings that came out this last week, we're still looking at just like a little over a week of inventory. So still a very inventory constrained market. For sure, and that's kind of reflected here again in the sale price as a percent of the list price ratio. We've been up at 105 or more percent of list price here for the past month now. So super hot and competitive market environment in Wilsonville continues for sure. So to get a better look at this update, you can click the link or button below the video and it'll take you to my website where you can have a closer look. So I hope this weekly update's been helpful and informative to you. I certainly would welcome the opportunity to become your trusted realtor and help you move through life. So just give me a call at 503-680-2065 or send me a message and I'd be happy to help. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.